Hi friends, my name is Manish and I am the executive chef of the Oberoi Gurgaon. Today we are going to cook a very special dish which is pan-seared breast of Cornfed chicken. So Cornfed chicken is a very special chicken. इसका जो feed है वो corn से होता है. So corn is what makes this dish very special. The chicken is more moist, it's more juicier and it's more tender. And हम इसको पकाएंगे with some Peruvian asparagus, some special mushrooms and some sweet potatoes. So let's cook the dish. So friends, let's make some pan-seared chicken, Cornfed chicken with some sweet potatoes, some mushrooms, Peruvian asparagus and maybe some sauce. Okay, so let's see कैसे बनाना है. Now इसके कुछ steps हैं. Let's divide the steps so that आप लोग अच्छी तरह समझ सकें हम लोग क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Now the main star of the dish is of course chicken, but that we will cook in the end because that's the main hero of the dish. We'll cook the accompaniments first. We'll cook the sauce first because sauce will take some more time. So let's start with the sauce first. एक पैन है. We have made some white chicken stock, जो कि very simple है. आप just chicken का bones लीजिए, add some leeks, some celery, some carrot, and put for boiling. So basically whatever comes out as the flavorful liquid is the white chicken stock. So एक ये base ingredient है ताकि हम dish को जल्दी खत्म कर सकें. And also हमने chicken के carcass को हल्का सा roast कर लिया है. Okay, so that's the point 2. So दो चीज़ें हमने पहले से ready करके रखी है ताकि हम लोग आपको sauce ढंग से दिखा पाएं. So we'll take some oil first. इसके अंदर हम थोड़ा सा leeks डालेंगे अभी roast करने के लिए. We'll add some celery. See it. थोड़ा सा onion. So these are all our aromatic vegetables जो कि आपके सॉस को और रिच और टेस्टी बनाने में हेल्प करता है. आइडली हमको सबसे पहले इसमें चिकन डालना चाहिए, बट सिंस हमने चिकन पहले रोस्ट कर लिया है इसलिए हम पहले वेजिटेबल्स डाल रहे हैं और हम इन वेजिटेबल्स को अच्छी तरह से रोस्ट करने वाले हैं, एक नाइस ब्राउन कलर देने वाले हैं. हम इसमें थोड़ा सा थाइम भी डालेंगे. थाइम अगेन इज अ हर्ब व्हिच कैन बी एडेड एज होल. इसको हम होल थाइम डाल देंगे इसके अंदर और इसको थोड़ा सा और रोस्ट होने देंगे. इसके अंदर अब हम चिकन का जो कार्कस को हमने रोस्ट करके रखा है वो भी ऐड कर देंगे. एंड वी लेट देम ऑल ऑफ देम कुक टुगेदर. चिकन को अगर कार्कस को कुक करने के लिए इज वेरी सिंपल. आप चिकन कार्कस को 180 डिग्रीज ओवन के अंदर सिर्फ मे बी 30 मिनट्स से 35 मिनट्स रोस्ट कर सकते हैं. इट गिव्स अ नाइस ब्राउन कलर. एड लिटिल बिट ऑफ टोमेटो पेस्ट. Again, tomatoes is full of flavors, full of umami, and also it will when it roast, it will give a nice, deep, dark brown color to the sauce also. We'll cook it for 2-3 more minutes जब तक कि हमारे vegetables are not nicely browned. As you can see now कि हमारे vegetables and bones, everything is getting nice color. Now is the time to add some red wine. A little bit of wine. वाइन ऐड होने से ऑल्सो एक तो हमारा पैन जिसको हम टर्म में बोलते हैं डीग्लेजिंग, जिसको बोलते हैं डीग्लेजिंग से जितने भी नीचे पार्टिकल्स चिपक गए थे इसके जिसमें सारा फ्लेवर भरा हुआ है वो सब वापस खुल जाएंगे. विल जस्ट वेट फॉर द वाइन टू लिटिल बिट evaporate एंड देन विल ऐड द वाइट चिकन स्टॉक जो हमने बना के रखा है एंड लेट इट कुक एंड सिमर फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम. सो व्हेन इट रीच द स्टेज वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड सम वाइट चिकन स्टॉक एंड कंप्लीटली कवर इट. Add a little bit more of red wine और इसको हम एक बॉयल आने के बाद में सिमर पे छोड़ देंगे. सो धीरे धीरे approximately time is about 6 to 7 hours is when you will get a nice sauce which has got all the flavors from the chicken, the roasted chicken bones, the tomato paste, the vegetables, and it will be fairly thick so that it can be used as a sauce. Okay, so इसको हम यहाँ छोड़ देते हैं and let's now focus on other ingredient. And यहाँ पे हमारा water boil हो रहा है. We'll add a little bit of salt because हम इसमें asparagus ब्रांच करने वाले हैं. We'll take 2 asparagus strips from here. Asparagus strips and इसको हम लोग अब water में डाल देंगे. So as our asparagus is blanching here, so in the meantime जब तक ये हो रहा है, we'll cut some more other vegetables. So we have some king mushrooms here. So mushrooms को 1/2 काट दिया है. गार्लिक को पील नहीं करना चाहिए अगर आपको डिश में यूज़ करना है तो जस्ट ऐसे करके ऐसे मार दीजिए. All the flavors will come here, right? And they will remain right here. यहाँ पे हमारा asparagus करीब ब्लांच हो गया है. ज़्यादा नहीं कुक करना है, ओवर कुक नहीं करना है, and directly goes into cold water. So if you see, अगर हम आप इसको देखेंगे after 1 minute, The color of the asparagus is perfectly green, the way it was. अब हम next sweet potatoes cook करेंगे. Sweet potatoes, some mushrooms, and maybe asparagus को भी ready करेंगे vegetables के लिए. Add some olive oil. We're going to cook the sweet potatoes first. Just leave it here and let them cook in the same as मैंने पहले भी कहा था, season as you cook. So add some salt, a little bit of black pepper, and we let them cook. Okay. So as we can see यहाँ पे sweet potatoes are cooking. इसको हम turn कर देते हैं. And as we have reached the sweet potatoes cook हो रहे हैं, we are going to add some mushrooms here. Okay, and let the mushrooms also cook together. To add some extra flavor, we are going to add one small block of butter here. और अगर हमने mushrooms डाला है तो some more seasoning. So some more pepper, some more salt, a little bit of thyme for some extra flavor here. Maybe 1 pot of garlic. So it's very important कि हर एक component dish का अपना flavor साथ में लेके चले and सिर्फ एक चीज़ के ऊपर depend नहीं करे. So chicken needs to be on its own flavorful. So is the vegetable. So is the sauce. And then when you combine सबको साथ में, of course you will have the dish which you are looking for. Okay. So now यहाँ पे as I explained you before, okay, this is the stock which is cooking. So अगर इसको हम 6 घंटे तक पकाते हैं, it will reduce. Then we remove the bones, we strain the sauce. और उसको दोबारा reduce करते हैं तो हम लोगों को एक dark deep red color का sauce मिलेगा जिसको हम यू बोलते हैं या chicken का sauce बोलते हैं. Similarly, you make a sauce for lamb, you make a sauce for veal. Right? This is the real taste, real flavors of whole of the bones, whole of the vegetables, tomatoes have come into this sauce. Okay. So we'll take this forward from here. Okay. इसको हम अलग कर देते हैं और as you can see, this is nice and thick. It's a deep dark red color and very flavorful. Since हमें अभी ये नहीं चाहिए, हम साइड में कर देते हैं. पहले हम लोग चिकन में पकाएंगे because that's the last dish. यहाँ पे हमारे vegetables are cooking nice. Maybe time to turn the mushrooms. Mushrooms have a nice, beautiful golden color. Is what we were looking for. And time to add maybe the 2 asparagus also in the same. Okay. And just mix it together. So now you can see all the vegetables are cooked, are nicely roasted. Asparagus is cooking now. हमने end में इसलिए डाला है because हम चाहते नहीं कि इसका green color पूरी तरह खराब हो जाए. But of course we want थोड़ा सा roasted color, थोड़ा सा roasted taste to come into the same. So now it will be very slow heat, and in the meantime we cook the chicken breast. The chicken breast, we have another non-stick pan. Okay, I'm going to add some oil here. A little bit of oil on the pan, make it nice and hot. So we have a breast of chicken here. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि it should not be very chilled. It should be at the room temperature. It's a nice, beautiful size. The skin is nice and long. So what we're going to do is now marinate this. So we have some black pepper. Okay. There's some salt here. And we'll put some herbs here, which is chopped mixed herbs. Okay, not too much. Other side of chicken breast हम लोग marinate करेंगे जब हम लोग इसके ऊपर chicken को add कर देंगे. So here it goes, and as you can see, we have added the chicken breast here. Okay. Now is the time to season this side. इस side को season करते हैं with good amount of salt, good amount of black pepper. You don't want our chicken to be bland. Also, you want it nice and tasty. We have some flavorful thyme here. हम यहाँ डाल सकते हैं. The flavors of thyme will mix in the oil and all the flavors will come here inside the chicken. And we can take some garlic, mash some pods, just crush them lightly, okay, and we add them here again. And let all the flavors come together. It's getting a nice color, but we want it to be a little bit more nicer. Okay, it's nice golden color, but we want it to have a little bit more color. So we'll let it be this way. So now is the time to turn it over, and you should see the beautiful color that the breast has got. Yeah. Look at this. Isn't it nice? Yeah. Okay, now हमारा chicken हम देख सकते हैं कि it's more or less cooked. It's ready. So we'll switch off the flame. Okay, and हम लोग अपने बाकी ingredients study करेंगे. हमारे vegetables are ready over here. They're nice and cooked. बहुत बढ़िया लग रहे हैं. And maybe थोड़ा सा sauce गरम कर लेते हैं ताकि sauce also is able to give our with the taste. So हम sauce को थोड़ा सा गरम करेंगे यहाँ पे. अब हम plating के लिए ready हैं. हमारा sauce गरम हो गया है. Vegetables are ready. Vegetables are ready. Our chicken is nice and juicy, full of flavors. इसको यहाँ लगा देते हैं. And now is the final plating of the sauce. As you can see, it is nice, dark, rich color का sauce बन गया है. You can just go along with the plate. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि chicken breast के ऊपर नहीं डालें because हम कोशिश कर रहे थे एक crisp chicken breast के लिए. So sauce can always serve by side. हम extra दे सकते हैं. And that's your fancier chicken breast. Cornfed chicken breast with some vegetables, mushrooms, some sweet potatoes and jus ready.